Sai Fanindra from SQL School, and I would be the trainer for the entire Python course. What is Python and why we need it? Let's get started. Over 2 decades of my IT experience completely in data stack activities, database projects, I see Python everywhere, right from data extraction to data handling, the regular live OLTP database platform implementations, warehouse implementations, ETL, analytics, data science, machine learning, AI, everywhere we need Python. So Python is now a part and parcel of our life. Let's get started. Why Python and how Python? Let's get started with our entire course structure or the course plan. So agenda, what is Python? Then we'll be learning why Python and the job roles. Number 4, what we learn in my classes and what you actually get in my carefully curated step-by-step activities. Let's get started now. What is Python? It is a high-level general purpose programming interface. Yes, in olden days, we used to do a lot of coding activities. Now, thanks to AI, we have a lot of auto-generative script that we can happily integrate in AI. Now, let's think practically. When we say auto-generated script, that means our challenges increase. Really, we need to do the required testing activities. The auto-generated code that we enjoy from various tools and applications, cloud and on-premises, non-cloud environments, are something we need to revisit carefully. It saves a lot of time, but at the same time, we also need to invest our actual analytical skill set in identifying what is wrong, what is right. So Python is very easy to learn, very easy to master in current AI world. At the same time, the way we learn and master the technical implementations of Python are very important. And there we are. You are with me. I can guide you step by step. Yes, this Python is very easy and user friendly. But why? Yes, mainly for big data analytics, software development, cloud computing, data science, machine learning, AI implementations and automations. So anywhere, everywhere in my screen or on my screen now, right from birthplace of data, the apps, websites, forms, social media, IoT devices like our mobile, a great example of IoT device, or it can be your laptop, or a Bluetooth enabled, Wi-Fi enabled refrigerator or AC at your home. Any internet enabled device is a IoT, Internet of Things. The communication between the network and the device needs Python. So Python is in every arrow mark you see on the screen. Trust me. Python is in the leftmost box, apps, IoT, website, forms, etc. Python is in OLTP, live databases, online transaction processing databases. To input the data and to report the data, we need Python. Python is needed for ETL, extract, transform, load. You extract data from various sources, we need Python. To perform mashup activities like joins, merge, group by, rank, window functions, calculations, computations with data, big data, we need Python. Python is also needed for data warehouse. We also call it as big databases, Amazon Redshift, Snowflake, Azure, Fabric, Spark databases. Everywhere in all cloud computing platforms, we need Python. What more? Yes, Python also required for big data analytics, the rightmost side on my screen. AI, machine learning, Power BI, Tableau, everywhere we have Python implementations. For example, let me show you something called Power BI. Power BI, a great science with total of 7 different tools in Power BI. 3 great technologies and previously 2, now 3 hosting platforms. So 7 tools, 3 technologies plus 3 hosting solutions. 7 plus 3 plus 3, 10 plus 3, 13 items in Power BI ecosystem. For AI Copilot activities, we'll be using Power BI. For data analytics, we use Power BI, and we are in Python, right? Here it is. Python is everywhere, around us and in front of us. Trust me. Everywhere we have Python, and my master classes, practical approach, step by step, will revolve and rotate around the actual realistic implementations with great scenarios, useful scenarios. So I need your support. On-time practice required throughout the course, please, my kind request. So in our classes, we'll be having Python from scratch, right from the basics. You may be a data engineer, data analyst, or a data scientist, or a developer. Anyone, everyone can happily, easily master Python with my step-by-step classes. I will be guiding you Python from scratch, right from the architecture. I'll be guiding you Python from scratch and make you love the subject to start from the very, very basics of print statements, variables, data types, and so on. We also do Python for data analytics. The diagram I was showing you a few moments back will actually work for any project. Remember friends, any project requires data. Any project requires database. Wherever there is data, there is Python. Wherever there are apps, we need Python. Wherever there is cloud computing, we need Python. So our project requires us. We Python specialists in next few weeks. Our company requires us. We being Python professionals in next few weeks. And the IT software environment requires you and me. We being Python pros in next few weeks. I will make you a Python pro. I need your support. On-time practice. On-time submission of my everyday assignments, please. My kind request. I have a beautiful team with me wherein they start supporting you right from day one with your assignments. You submit first assignment for the concept, you get the next assignment immediately. My team would be guiding you for assignment submissions with extra assignments and clarifications. I'll be your trainer for the actual classes. Either myself will be involved in the doubts, clarifications, and support, or my team back in India, Hyderabad. Either in-house, classroom, or live online, or self-paced videos, same content, same carry forward, or the same content with same curriculum, examples, assignments. The same structure we follow for any mode of training you consider. Maybe first module you join live with me, second and third you may go for video if required, either now or later in future. It's up to you. We are flexible. Come on, let's start learning Python. Let's understand the beauty of this encouraging and the strong buzzword in this world of AI. In my master classes from scratch, completely practice oriented, I will teach you from the very, very architectural principles of AI with Python to Python with database integrations. How and why and where to include Python for data access. How it actually works in real world. Right from the input of data to result. end-to-end scenarios waiting for you guys. Come on, let's get started learning Python from scratch. To become a data analyst, data engineer, data scientist, developer, programmer, anyone, everyone, yes, you can make use of my course with ease and straightforward activities. Now, let's come to the actual point, what we are going to learn in Python in my classes. Yes, in my classes, in Python activities, we are going to learn from the very basics of the cloud implementations of Python as well as non-cloud implementations of Python. So first initial 24 chapters are common for everyone. So 24 chapters, so 24 class notes, 24 assignments. So 23, because first chapter is anyway introduction. So chapter wise notes, you will be taking print copies of it and you'll practice all the items carefully from the notes, submit your first level assignment and demand next level assignment. Apart from that, once we complete module 1, usually that should be enough. Module 1 should be enough to get into data engineering or developer, data analyst, any other kind of profile. Usually 1 to 24 chapters are enough. If you wanted to dig and dive into the depths of Python, then you need the next module, chapter 25 to 39, Python programming. If it is really required, then you opt for it. For AI engineers, AI ML engineers, both profiles, I strongly recommend you need to do the remaining part also, chapter 40 to 51. I repeat again, 1 to 24 common and basic mandatory requirement for everyone. Remaining optional as per your job roles and as per your profile plans and resume boosting activities from your end. My complete support for your resume as well. We'll be taking out of Google, out of ChatGPT and out of GitHub real-time projects, which are very realistic and will help us a lot for our resume building activities. We'll start our classes either live, online, or in-house classroom or self-paced videos every week. So once you are ready, you are going to kickstart your course and see you in my actual live classes. Thank you so much. I'll be waiting for your questions, clarifications. If any, I'll be available on this number you see on my screen. See you there in my actual classes. Thank you so much.